train the data and give the accuracy for the different text and different COVID patients. And for this data, for this processing, I have not taken data from any Kaggle website or any data science free online source. Rather, I have created my own Google form and just to fill this analysis of your kidney health post COVID-19 symptom survey year 2021. Then insert all these, means age group, what is the age group of the patient, what is the COVID, in whether they suffered from COVID-19, what is the gender of the patient, what is the symptoms they are suffering from, average high blood pressure ranges, systolic or not, did you experience blood pressure in urine, frequent urge in urinate. So this is totally, all these factors are totally orientated with kidney patients only. You can create your own data set as well, and currently I am having 52 responses and going to train this data. And let me show in the Excel sheet that this is the data I am having currently, and this data is consisting the lab test detail and their values. And so one thing you need to think that I have converted the header file, means their header would be like the questions I have put here, what is the email ID in surveys, contact number, and so on, age group and gender, and what is the different parameters. So I have converted it to A, B, C, D till X here. Okay, so for that I have just taken the data set here and just uploaded in my file. It is having this name. I will upload on GitHub as well, and this data will import the file all in the different section here. So in the format of CSV file format, I have just data in the A, B, C, D till X header and the relevant details here. So we are least bothered about the name, address, contact number, their city, and so on. So rather we have focused rest of the part. So first we will import the library pandas panel data, which we have discussed in the previous chapter, and it is going to import from matplotlib import pyplot as plt. Okay, then we are going to import this numpy as np and run this command. First and foremost, it will import, keeping in mind that you are writing the correct syntax and semantic code here. All the libraries are inherited successfully in your IDE. Then you are ready to write rest of the code. Then pd dot read underscore CSV file. This is the command to read the CSV file. Give the name of your file, then print this file variable df dot head. Then what is the sizes of this command? It is df and h variable here, capital H dot value underscore counts sort is equal to 1. Okay, then we will print the sizes. Okay, so it will print all the sizes and all the data. Why we are more focusing on this H column? Because this H column is having the yes or no format of COVID patient, whether they were suffering from the COVID or not. Okay, so this is email ID, contact number, city, and they are having yes and no value in terms of they were suffering from COVID or not. Then what we are going to drop? We are going to drop the irrelevant data. Okay, else it will train all the column and it will give the inappropriate answer. So in order to avoid this training out process, we are going to omit all these data. Okay, so what we are going to omit, we are going to true all the data. Okay, I am pasting it so many times. I'll tell you the reason behind my pasting process. Okay, so next we are going to omit this B file. What's the B file here? A is the timestamp, date and time. B is the email ID of the patient, which is totally irrelevant with the symptoms of the COVID or the kidney. Third, C is the name of the data, that is again the irrelevant feature of this COVID patient. D is the this contact number. E is the state, city and state and zones, and so on. From G, H, I onwards, I have inherited the value. So this is the reason I am going to omit A, B, C, D. I am excluding these variables till E and then F. I am keeping H inside my data, and then again J, and then R, then S, then T, then U, and then V, W, and then X. Okay, so all these data columns we are going to drop here in order to process entire place. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Okay, it is showing some error. So A, B, C, D, E is not found in the access. Okay, so let me run this. Say 1, what is this SA1 file here? Okay, its original file is 30, and then we train the data using X-train and Y-train. Okay, so then what we are going to predict? We are going to predict the model, means prediction. What is the prediction part here? Prediction underscore test is equal to model dot predict x underscore test. Then we are going to import from sklearn import metrics. Okay, then what we are going to import? We are going to print accuracy of the model. metric metrics dot accuracy underscore, then y score comma prediction test. Okay, so test accuracy for various test sizes and see how it gets better with more training data. One amazing features of random forest is that it provides us info on feature importance. Get numerical feature importance. Importance is equal to list using list.model feature importance. Let's print them into a nice format. Okay, so what is the feature here? Feature underscore list is equal to list x dot columns. Then feature underscore imp is equal to pd dot series underscore model dot feature underscore importance underscore comma index is equal to features list dot sort underscore values, then these values in this ascending order. We are interested to print the value in the ascending order. Okay, then print this feature underscore important. Okay, so this accuracy is equal to metric is I miss S here, and it's going to print the accuracy. And what is the feature here? Feature important PD list. I had not defined the important value. I just add one value here, and then I just one row here, and then define this this define this accuracy, and then feature underscore list is equal to list x dot columns, then feature imp important pd dot series model dot feature importances. Okay, and then text feature and sort values. So this will sort the value in the increasing order, and here we are having the accuracy as well. Accuracy of the system can be changed using this size of the testing size. Let me decrease this size and run this code. Okay, and then again run this print skip. This is the reason it was going showing error or throughput error on the screen. Then I'm going to print the command this line. Okay, print here. So okay, so it will print here control df. It will print all the functions and all the variables here. Then what is the size here? It is the value count size here, and it is going to print the size, all the h value. Those are having 2 and 1, means those are having true and false. Okay, then we are having df value. Okay, so this df value is having why we are having 2 1 4 3, because I have already converted in this format, yes, no, in in between 25 to 30, means whatever value is there, in place of this statement I have given this integer value 1 2 3 4. Those are having respective male, means male, female, 1 2, never observed, yes, no, and in the same way I have converted all the data. So top 5 data it is going to print here, and then it is going to print the object. Okay, then what we are going to do here, we are going to print y is equal to df colon h dot values, then y is equal to y dot as type. We are going to convert the type of this h variable as integer. Okay, at this point y is an object, not of type integer, so convert y to this one integer type. Okay, so then what we are going to next, x is equal to df dot drop labels is equal to colon h dot access is equal to 1. Then the main file of this function sklearn, from sklearn dot model underscore selection import train underscore test underscore split, then x underscore train comma x underscore, these are the variables here, comma y underscore training for the training part and the testing part, underscore test is equal to train underscore test underscore split x comma y comma test underscore size is equal to 0.4 comma random underscore state is equal to 20. This is the test size of the data, means 40% data will go to the test size and the random state as 20. So we are going to define this test level and different level and so on. Okay, so we are going to okay now we are going to split the data into different format. Rest of the data, means 60% data will go to the train side, and then we are going having this okay, x dot drop labels is equal to x axis is equal to here we are having capital X, not the small x. Okay, so now we are going to print the x underscore train. Okay, it is going to print all the training data set. Okay, then what we will print, we will print the testing part, x underscore test data. Okay, so this is the testing part and testing data. Randomly it's selecting from the data set. So from again sklearn dot ensemble import random forest classifier ensemb. Okay, so then it is going to train the model. Model is equal to random forest classifier n estimator is equal to 10. Okay, comma random states is equal to 30. Okay, then we are going to train model dot fit x underscore train comma y underscore train. Okay, so it is going to train the model. So where it is train forest, forest classifier classifier.